Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website bootitoots.com.au. And I'm on a homepage, and I really love that you're showing right away what you're offering. So obviously you're in a kids niche, toddlers niche, and there is a sign up prompt pop-up box, which is perfect. Okay, so this is you're showing the products in the hero image, nicely designed, nicely photographed. There's also a tagline linking to your collections with a call to action as well. Top navigation, free shipping information, so that's perfect. It would be great to optimize this element as well to add the button at the bottom saying click now, shop now, and so on, linking to the relevant collection or to the relevant product. Customer reviews. Yeah, the featured products should be really at the top right below this hero image, because this really should be the focus of the homepage, and it feels like there's loads of content and there's only 4 products which take the least space. Also remember to check for any of those images that could be missing. So yeah, I would love to see more featured products, more collections, more content that actually works on the conversion rate. And yeah, feels like there's the focus is on everything else and not on buying on the homepage. You've got footer navigation as well, and social media. Perfect. Also, remember to open social media links in your tab so you don't lose valuable traffic from your own website. The collection page looks really good. The collection images look perfect, very colorful, very appealing, professionally photographed, beautiful colors, nicely cropped as well, and very inviting to browse further. The collection page looks really professional. I love the different designs, um, beautifully displayed, and very nicely optimized images as well, so the colors really pop. The product page is also nicely optimized. There's add to cart above default, so that's perfect. Unique product descriptions. Would be great also to show related products here, so people don't have to click back and forth to view your product, but they can view more products. They will keep browsing. It will improve the whole of the user experience. The store navigation obviously will help you improve your upselling and cross-selling across the website. The About Us page looks excellent. You build trust, you build authority as obviously a mommy, and obviously you've got experience in picking up products, which is really great for building rapport and building the conversion rate. So that's excellent. Okay, returns and shipping policy is here. So you've got different shipping rates. So that's perfect. I thought your free shipping is on all products. However, I can see that it's on just a bundle on I think it's just one product type. But maybe it would be great to link this promo bar to the specific product, so people, when they are interested in a free shipping, they can obviously click it and buy it, which will further improve your conversion rate as well. You've got the blog in the top menu. However, your last blog post was from last year, which can give an impression that perhaps the website is no longer maintained, which can affect the conversion rate, because if people see that you no longer post, you no longer create new content, they might actually hesitate buying from you because they don't know if you are still operating. Maybe this website is no longer active, no longer operating business. So make sure to either post regularly on the blog or remove it from the top menu if you don't plan on posting regularly.